Meaning of gene.
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 Gene. A gene is a segment of DNA that contains the instructions for building a protein or RNA molecule necessary for the functioning of a cell or organism. Genes are responsible for determining an individual's traits, such as eye color, height, and susceptibility to diseases. Mutations in genes can alter the instructions they provide, leading to genetic disorders. Advances in genetic research have contributed to our understanding of inheritance patterns, evolution, and the development of therapies for genetic diseases. Overall, genes play a crucial role in the makeup and function of living organisms.